Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unblock someone on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to unblock someone on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And on this interface guys, in order to unblock someone, first we'll be required to tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on that three-lined icon. And on this interface again, you will be required to tap on the settings option over here just below the saved messages. Tap on settings. And over here scroll down and you can find the privacy and security option over here just below the chat settings. Open up the privacy and security, and over here you can find the blocked user option available for us just below the passcode lock. Tap on blocked users and you can find, or you will find, all of the users whom you had blocked on your Telegram in the past over here. Now in order to unblock that person, there's a three-dotted icon at the right side of that account, or a three-dotted icon over here will be available for every account on this list. Tap on it and the unblock user option will be available for us over here. Tap on unblock user and that user will be unblocked on your Telegram account. And there guys, this is how to unblock someone on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.